Next. Coming through. Keep it moving, keep it moving.
It's the texture and the subtle shift in color that tells us when they are ready for harvest.
Move the next crate over here. Watch the suspension.
Cuidado con esa caja. Ponla aquí, rápido.
Push the next one up. Watch the side, careful now. All right, bring it here.
Safe trip, guys. See you soon. Great harvest this year.
All right, bring it straight back. Watch your clearance on the right. Got it. Securing the load now.
Intake is steady at 200 tons.
Acknowledged. Maintain current speed and monitor for debris.
Check the next batch on line 3.
Looks good. Moving them forward now.
This one has a blemish. Check the underside.
Yes, I see it. Removing it now.
Keep the line moving smoothly.
Check the deviation on screen 3. We're showing a micron variance. Confirmed. Adjusting the blade alignment now.
Humidity levels are fluctuating near the center array, increasing the airflow modulation now. The flow on level 3 is backing up.
I'm increasing the temperature now.
The drying sequence is stable, but the humidity spiked slightly in zone 4. I see it. Rerouting the vapor flow through the secondary condenser.
Everything running smoothly on the VELMORA line.
Pass rates are holding steady at 99%.
Look at the throughput on this line. The AI is optimizing perfectly. And the moisture levels are consistent across the board.
The certification codes are printing perfectly.
Alignment is spot on for the pineapple window. Keep the line moving.
The wrap is perfect on the VELMORA pineapple. Tightly sealed, ready for export. Noted on the manifest.
We need these 3 pallets cleared by 9.
Already on it, boss. Moving the last one now.
Watch the merge on line 2.
Manifest confirms the VELMORA pineapple shipment is secured.
Copy that. Initiate door sequence.
Crane operator, bring that down to the staging area.
Copy. Bringing it down slow.
Bridge, this is port control. You are clear for departure. Roger that, port control. Confirming VELMORA pineapple shipment secured.
The VELMORA shipment is underway, bringing premium American exports to the world. All systems go.
Experience the taste of luxury with VELMORA pineapple. Available now in the premium snack aisle.
The VELMORA Pineapple Complex, bringing the taste of the tropics to the world at an unprecedented scale. Indulge in luxury. Premium soft-dried pineapple, only from VELMORA.
Here in the tropical belt, the dawn breaks over an endless sea of pineapples, where traditional farming meets autonomous harvesting.
Goodbye, everyone. Drive safely.
From the moment they are harvested in the tropics, advanced logistics and a global network ensure these pineapples reach tables across the entire world.